Welcome back to Built Retro Garage, where we invite Sam over and he plays his music on his phone way too loud, and his phone is always dead, and he wonders why. You're about to catch a vibe, boy!
Banana time.
Oh! Welcome back to Casting Coach.
That's not the same.
What do you mean, step bro?
Nope. No, you put them back.
Tim Hortons sponsor us.
Put them the back.
You can't say that.
Yeah, I can. I did in the last video. They can suck my f***ing balls.
Bro, I wasn't talking about you.
I'm probably gonna go get like Taco Bell or something.
Oh, you don't do it from the studio. That's why.
No, I do it at the restaurant where you purchase the Taco Bell.
Fucking piece of shit.
Say goodbye.
Oh yeah, it doesn't. Hold on. Jesus.
Here, hold on. I'll...
Goodbye. See you later.
Bye, Sam.
Bye.
Don't forget to charge your phone.
It's already dead. That's why I stopped watching videos. Just kidding. I think it's at like 6%.
Wasn't a lie.
Sorry. 1%.
Every time without fail.
You gotta record yourself. You're like, hey, welcome to Built Retro Garage. I pulled the motor out of my car.
Hey, welcome to Built Retro Garage. I didn't pull a motor out of my car. He did. It's right there. This is all the random shit. He kind of just like did nothing with me.
I'm a stupifizer.
The supervisor? I mean, you took a rad hose off.
Yeah. The whole rad hose.
If anybody's wondering, this is a 2013?
2013 Scion FRS with a Veris wide-body kit.
Yeah.
It's molded.
Fancy.
Yeah, like it's kind of messed up because the kit's worth
She
more than
thick.
frickin'...
The car itself.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
with the prices they're going for
Feel
right
this.
now, yeah, kind of, sort of.
I don't know.
How you know she feel it?
Huh?
How you know she feel it?
How do you know she feel it?
How you know she feel it?
Because you put it in there.
Well, he's not wrong.
Yo, anybody want to buy these wheels? $2,500.
What's the color?
Oh, fucking.
Orange and yellow.
No, they're not. They're copper, bro. They're
That's my
transparent.
point. That's
That
my
is
point.
transparent
That's my point.
copper.
They need to know the
Man,
color.
stop. I ain't.
They need
I
to
don't
know
do
the
YouTube.
color.
Okay, you do YouTube. Nope, nope.
It's like when you post an ad on Facebook.
Yeah, I just tell them. Yeah.
You tell them what it is.
No,
right?
just say come buy it.
Come buy this.
Shut up and take my money.
What?
Hello? Is anybody in there? This is awkward.
You're just staring into the distance. This guy pretends he's hydrated,
That's
so he
probably
drinks the
not easy.
Gatorade while he's on
Right?
video, eh?
Right.
That's
This
probably
guy.
No, that was actually.
Look
I
at me
drank
and
that.
look at me and Matt. We're like,
Yeah, we
we're
shared that
nutritious, yo. We're overweight, but we nutritious. Just kidding. You're the only one overweight.
That's right. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
it's
overweight,
okay.
but I could get the strong things off. Yeah,
The what?
the strong things.
The strong thing.
Yo, every time we do a video, and like we're actually working on stuff, it always seems like I don't know what I'm doing, or I've never done car stuff in my life.
That's just because the camera's
Guess what?
like there.
Guess what? It doesn't take me to be on video to not know what I'm doing because I don't know shit.
Okay, so we're just gonna do a little voiceover here of what we're doing. Moving the car back from or forwards from the wall because we kind of sort of damaged it a little bit. Sorry, Sam, but you understand. Also, try and guess how many times that friggin' Pringles can pops up because that's, yeah, they're already at like 3. Sam's undoing the wheels, trying to get everything ready and prepped so we can actually start to take this motor out. Trying to figure out jack stands and stuff. There's Pringles again. This is actually how they make automotive paint, in case you guys are wondering. It's not a fact, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, look at that drippy, drip drop dripping. That's how they make it though. That's it. We're making green paint because Sam likes green, sure. You'll see Guinness laying down and taking a lot of naps underneath the car, pretending like he's actually trying to, you know, take off the manifolds and empty all the fluids out of the car in order to get this motor out. Sam's obviously just a supervisor because, you know, he wants to make sure everything's done properly on this car because this is baby, right? Guinness is again taking a nap under the car, perfectly. Look at that. I don't know. I'm not doing much. I'll be honest. It looks like that, anyways. But yeah, making sure that the rad's empty, all the lines are clear, good. I'm now supervising. Guinness and Sam are both taking a nap under the car, pretending like they're doing something, while I'm standing there hard at work, clearly. Bring this again. Well, jack stands are good. So they're not Harbor Freight, so there's no risk of them actually just, you know, ending it all, so that's good. A little snack break for Sammy boy. Hard at work here. Curious about the paint, obviously. Yeah, so obviously we were a little unprepared. We didn't bring like a oil drain pan, so that's what the paint cans are actually for. And then we have this guy who just loves to do this every opportunity he gets. Just thinks the back of my forehead is that gorgeous. What a guy. This time he wanted to get it on camera. You know, save it for later. Rude. Just trying to make sure it doesn't get on the floor. See, I did something. Look at that. Look at that. That's Matt. I'm Matt. That's me. I'm doing something. That's the upper rad hose. I'm actually taking it off. I needed Guinness's help because I'm freaking useless, I swear. Oh, that's great. Yeah. Just continuing to take some stuff off. Upper rad hose, this, that, everything that's connected to the motor. Trying to make sure so that nothing gets caught when it's time to pull that big boy out of there. Big boy? Not really. Guinness's failed attempt at taking off the fuel lines. Then he asked Big Daddy for help. Look at that. Yeah. I also failed. That's fine. But I don't give up that easily. So you're gonna see, you're just gonna see me freaking try my hardest here. Guinness takes the front bar off, and then quick little food break. Gotta nourish yourself. The only reason why Guinness is actually eating in front of the camera is to prove to everybody else that he does eat, even though it doesn't look like it, because it's very clear that we eat and we enjoy that. So yeah, that's the only reason why Guinness actually eat on there. Anyways, back to the fuel lines. I'm sitting there and I'm like, yeah, you know what? I can do this. I can definitely do this. I have faith in myself. It's fine. I actually have a tool that I bought from my BMW that would have came in handy for that, and I think I realized it somewhere at this point. Googling how to do this. Yeah, these two guys are just laughing at me, pretending no big deal. And then, yeah, I got the tool there, and I realized, yeah, you know what? I could probably do this. And then I walk away, and I'm like, you know what? I think I might have to break my tool that I got so that I can actually use this, because it's a fuel line disconnect tool, obviously, but the way that it was set up, you have to get the top in and then the bottom, but something was in the way and you just couldn't fit it in, so I had to snap it in half so that I could put the bottom in first, and then put basically just two pieces, bottom first, then the top, and then the line just popped off pretty easily after that. But it did cost about $11. Sam, just $11. Guinness is obviously still taking a nap underneath. Sam and I are working really hard here, trying to make sure, no fuel gets on Guinness and stuff like that. While he just lays there. Like, what are you doing, bro? Get to work. Look at this. Sam goes to join him because he's pretty tired after eating, which I can relate, you get the itis sometimes. It does happen. Guinness woke up and he's like, yeah, I'll help you. I'm like, bro, it's done. You don't even worry about it. And then I was like, yo, you guys want to make some more paint? Sam lost his hat somewhere. I'm not going to tell him that, though. Yeah, see? Guinness is just taking a nap. He didn't even use a blanket this time, but whatever. Sam's like, what are you doing down there, bro? What's that? Me, obviously, working so hard. Look at that. Look at this guy. Anyways. That motor comes up, just to lift there, make sure everything underneath is good. The Pringles came back. I don't know if you guys caught that today, so we should be pretty close, which is nice. Pretty sure he was disconnecting heater core lines back there that time. Sam's like, you know what, I should probably help, so he decided to lend a hand for once. Yeah. think at this point we're like, okay, the only thing that really needs to come off underneath is like the exhaust stuff. Trying to decide if we should drop the whole manifold now or when the motor's like halfway. I think I forget what we decided, but we got there. Lift the car up a little bit more, drop this boy down because it's almost time, but we're almost there. Oh yeah, did a little bit of cleanup, make sure everything's good. Take this hood off because you know it's going to be easier for the hood. And Sam was like, "How do we do this?" We taught him. We taught him because it's fine, Sam. Don't worry about it. Hey, Big Red. I say Big Trusty Red, but this is the first time I've used it. Chilling. They're like, Matt, you got the muscles, so you're gonna have to control this thing. You know, we're just gonna guide you because we're not that strong. We can't do much. So that, which is fine. All right, I'll take that. And they're like, okay, give it the good old up down, bro. Sam's like, I gotta put this on the gram, make sure everybody knows I'm doing this stuff. And she's out. That's it. Dope. She's out. That was a piece of the. You'll see it. You'll see it. Wow. We just appreciate it. Shake everybody's hands. Make sure everything's good.
Dennis, do you think my car would be as light as that Civic? That's like 1,500 pounds or something.
Oh hell no!
Maybe now that there's no friggin' engine in it.
Stay tuned. We're gonna put a motor in that one that's like way better.
Yeah, no one ain't finding out what it is yet.
Bro.
I'm
Alright.
gonna put a D series in it.
Yeah, bro.
I mean, it'll still be faster. 5 head.
You've had it for that long?